So I recently bought a beginner's kit from Grayson Hobby. So this is the 125S KingKong, and it came with a T12 Jumper open protocol receiver, a Jumper T12, and it's bound to the drone, and the drone is tuned, which is sweet. So I'm going to look forward to, I'm going to be trying these out, and it looks like it's a little whoop, but it's not that whoop, that's small. It's a 4S, and it came with one battery. It came in this kind of this cool little plastic case. They set everything up. They bind it and they tune the drone. So I'm looking forward to trying this. Nice little setup. Start this. It's on. It's plugged in. The way they set it up is this arming and B switch. Start up again. A little windy out today. It's a pretty stable flyer for us beginners. That took a beating. Took a licking and kept on ticking. Went up in the trees and came down and still running. So this little ET125 4S is probably one of the best beginner drones out there. I crashed it 4 or 5 times and nothing happened. Nothing broke, nothing was damaged. The batteries slide out of the bottom a little bit, so you might not always be able to start it on a crash, but you can see how it hit the trees and kept running. Combined with the T12 Jumper, I think it's the best package out there. So give them a call if you're interested. Thanks for watching and be safe.